Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Color LaserJet CP2025N printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In a properties, I center it. In a properties, we find many options, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome and in search type HP Color LaserJet CP2025N printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer, and here we find our printer name. Open this link, first link. Open first link. And official website is open. Here we find our printer name and here we find our operating system. If operating system is not right or bit is not right, then click on choose a different OS, select Windows, go to the year version and select Windows 10 32-bit if 32-bit. If you find Windows 10 64-bit, then go to the Windows 10 64-bit. Click on the your bit and Windows and click on the update. After that, refresh this page. Refresh its page, it goes to the refresh automatically. Scroll down and here we find driver universal printer driver. Expand it and here we find two drivers, HP universal printer driver and second is the PCL6. Both are same, PostScript and PCL6. All printers use this HP universal printer driver technology. And click on the first link or the second link. I click on the download. It's redirect me to the another web page and download is complete at the top. Here we find download is completed. Click on the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file and this setup file is actually zip file and we are going to unzip it. Right click on it, click on extract files, click on the OK. It's extracted. Here we find one folder on the desktop, double click on that folder. It is an unzip folder, double click on it. And here we find our drivers and we are going to install these drivers. Close it. Next step is install it. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. Here we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner and wait for a few seconds. New option is pop up in a few seconds. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find many options. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Go to the last option, click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click it here. And if you find .4_001 HP port, HP printer device, then select that. If you not find that kind of port, then select USB. Select any USB port, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, 004. Select any USB port. Click on the next. Click on hard disk. Click on browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find unzip folder. Double click on it. Here we find some driver files. Select any file. All files contain same driver. Select any file and click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find PS and PS with the version number. Select any version. I select first and click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give HP Color LaserJet CP2025N printer. Give any name that you like. I give this name and click on the next. It's installing our printer and it's take few minutes or few seconds depending on the speed of our PC. It's take 1 or 2 or 5 minutes. So be patient and wait for few minutes. Our printer is now properly installed. If you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next option is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name HP Color LaserJet CP2025N, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.